Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can activate Wi-Fi sharing on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, here I have opened my phone, and first of all we can go to our settings application on our phone, and we're going to open the connection setting. You can click on this option and you can select mobile hotspot and tethering. Alright, and click on mobile hotspot. And after the mobile hotspot has been opened, you can click on your network name and tap on advanced right here. And here you can scroll down until you find Wi-Fi sharing. And if you want to activate your Wi-Fi sharing, you just need to click on this toggle button. And now you will get this question and the Wi-Fi sharing will be activated. And don't forget to save this setting before you use it. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate Wi-Fi sharing on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.